Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you um, an app that I think is better than Kick because several reasons. First of all, uh, Kick is not really working. The Hey Hey app is no longer working. If you go to Hey Hey, it's gonna show you this. Let me focus. Message app. Alright, so the only sharing card that we have right now is shut now right here, which I don't like that much because there are a bunch of weird people and I don't really like it. But the new app is called Meow. It's a, I don't know, it's like the sound of a cat. But let's see what the app's really. To use this app, you have to enable location settings so it can show the people that have the app around you. So you go here, you go explore. Is to find people around your area. Explore, and it's gonna show you where you live on the map. You can move it around to see other people countries, but I'm gonna stick to my country. So you scroll down to view the other people that live close close to you, and yeah, it's pretty fun. I like it because yeah, it shows you the people that live around you, not far away, like in the other side of the world. So you gotta rub them shit, and it's gonna connect you with somebody. You see here? Gonna connect you with somebody randomly, and then they will say hey, and this if you wanna play, you say hey. Yeah, it's easy as that. And if you wanna go to a group chat, uh, mm, uh-oh, no. If you wanna go to a group chat, you just click that button. This is a group chat, and this one is just single person. And in the middle, you see the people that are connected to the chat. That's what people have right now. So yeah, this app is really fun. Uh, you can see what your friends are doing, like that, this and that. You see, and show your friends. So yeah, guys, that's basically it. Like this app more than Kick. I don't know. Tell me what you guys think in the description below, and see you next time.